Reporter. I'm Denzel, and now, of course, let's talk about No One Killed Jessica Lal. Yes, the movie, of course, we all know about it. And right now, of course, we're going to meet with the people themselves, the two ladies. That's Vidya Balan and Rani Mukherjee for the first time talking about the movie.
गड़बड़ हो गई मैडम।
बदल दी गई मतलब? सर एक बार
प्लीज सबरीना, I have many more cases to attend.
जेसिका हत्याकांड में कोर्ट ने सभी आरोपियों को बरी कर दिया है। क्या किसी की जिंदगी की कीमत इतनी कम है हमारी कंट्री में? Let's nail the bastards.
And finally, the makers of No One Killed Jessica made an appearance before the press in the capital.
हमारा काम है पब्लिक के सामने opinions और खबरें पहुंचाना।
The film, though, is a serious thriller based on the life of the slain model Jessica Lal. The mood at the presser was anything but upbeat.
Rani asks lots of questions.
Displaying bonhomie to the T, Vidya and Rani looked more than comfortable in each other's company, giving cat fights a new name.
हम लोग दोनों cat हैं. We two are the cats of Jessica. No One Killed Jessica. We are the two cats.
किसी की जिंदगी की कीमत इतनी कम है हमारी कंट्री में?
The story borrows references from a real-life tragedy, but Vidya, who plays the role of Sabrina Lal in the film, had never met Sabrina till the press conference happened.
I've not really portrayed Sabrina Lal the way she is, which is why I just said that, I didn't meet her or anything of the sort.
Sabrina, on the other hand, gave thumbs up even before watching the film.
I'm just very happy to be here and a part of this movie called No One Killed Jessica. And I have read the script and it's a brilliant script.
Both Rani and Vidya have already proved themselves as an actors considering their plethora of films in the past. But with No One Killed Jessica, one thing needs to be seen: if the two heroines in the film actually do justice to the characters they are portraying in the film. In Delhi with camera person Waqar Ahmed, I'm Sabah Qazi for Headlines Today.
अब चलिए हम और आप बात करते हैं about how Rani bani reporter. Is this a brand new movie on the block? Not really. You know what it is? It is actually Rani Mukherjee, who is playing a reporter in the movie, has said that in real life too, I will play the reporter. And that she did just that.
क्या किसी की जिंदगी की कीमत इतनी कम है हमारी कंट्री में?
Rani prefers to stay in character even when not on the sets.
टीवी पे मैंने लड़ाई कभी ऐसे देखी नहीं थी.
Hence, we were not surprised when the light-eyed actress acted the journalist like she plays in the movie. At the first press conference of the film, No One Killed Jessica. From asking probable questions,
अगला सवाल ये होगा कि मेरी शादी कब हो रही है? बहुत दिन से आप लोगों ने मेरी शादी नहीं कराई. 4 साल से लगातार हो ही जा रही है, लेकिन अभी तक आप लोग ने क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा. आप पूछते हैं. आप लोग नहीं सवाल करेंगे कि हम लोग का कैट फाइट हुआ कि नहीं. हमने भी कैट फाइट किया. एक कैट को पास में लेके हम लोग ने कैट के साथ फाइट किया. लेकिन आपस में नहीं. हम लोग दोनों कैट हैं. We two are the cats of Jessica. No One Killed Jessica. We are the two cats. तो cat fight का मौका ही नहीं हुआ.
to urging the media to ask more and more questions.
So sad ना. अपने को नहीं मिला ना कुछ भी नहीं मिला.
Rani was all out playing a reporter even when there was no director calling for shots.
मीरा न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर. मैं आप सबसे मिल चुकी हूँ. तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो हुआ है सब मीडिया के लोगों से जैसे मैं मिली हूँ, रिपोर्टर से मिली हूँ, एंकर पर्सन से मिली हूँ, तो मुझे किसी एक व्यक्ति को मिलके मेरा कैरेक्टराइजेशन मैंने नहीं सोचा कि मुझे करना चाहिए.
Rani certainly got into the shoes of a journalist, displaying the angst and passion for a story.
Justice has been denied.
But she also flaunted a certain brashness as seen in the promos.
मजा आया देखकर.
वहाँ होते ना तो फट के हाथ में आ जाती.
What did you say?
All we can say, character के लिए रानी कुछ भी करेगी.
दिल्ली 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 दिल्ली.
Sabah Qazi in Delhi, Headlines Today.